What's up, guys? It's your boy Food Junkie here. Before this video starts, guys, I am so excited because this is my first ever YouTube video. But if you are new to the channel, like I'm new to this channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. We're on the road to 100K. So if you want to be a part of this family, this food channel family, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I would really appreciate if you guys like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. It would help out this channel so much, because without you guys, this channel probably wouldn't be nothing. So this is my first ever video. I don't know how the camera is looking right now. I don't know how it looks, but hopefully it's look good for you guys. But anyways, let's get right into the video. Peace. Alright guys, here are the Cheetos I was talking about. As you can see, they're Cheetos Flamin'Hot Chipotle Ranch. I don't know if you tried these before, but comment down below if you have and tell me what you think about them. I'm gonna give you my opinion. Oh yeah, and on the side we have our Louisiana Pearl Crystal hot sauce. I don't even think this is hot, but you know, I never tried hot sauce in Cheetos before, so why not try something new? So let's get into it. Oh man, that's oh, that ranch smell good though. Don't y'all like when y'all haven't ate in a little couple of hours and y'all just smell some chips or something good and you just like you just want to melt into it? That's how I'm feeling right now. But yeah. Oh, right there. Alright guys, here we go. First action. Alright. Got her good. Okay. Okay, Cheetos. Okay. Cheetos got them something going on here. Okay. This is actually good. They are hot. You know what they remind me of, guys? They remind me of the Cheetos, the jalapeno Cheetos, you know, the one with the green pepper on the bag. That's what they remind me of. But yeah, this is basically what it reminds me of. I'm surprised it tastes like this. This is actually good. I'm gonna try it with some hot sauce. Alright. Now hopefully this tastes good, because I don't know how this tastes with hot sauce. So Okay. See, I'm a food head junkie, so of course food gonna taste good to me, but okay. We got a little drip action. Y'all wanna taste a piece, you know what I'm saying? I can give y'all a piece. Y'all wanna bite that? Take a bite. Eat it. Hurry up before I eat it. Was it good? Let me know. Look at this. Big ultra wet hot sauce. This is delicious. This is so, oh. Oh my gosh, guys. I don't know what to say. You know about y'all, when food tastes good to me, I started to get a little dancing sensation in me. Oh my god. That kid starting to kick in a little hot. Starting to kick in. But I hope you guys are having a blessed day out there. Wonderful day. You know, if you guys are having a wonderful day, that's great. But for the people that ain't having a wonderful day, always remember that God is with you. He's with you. You pray to him and he will help you get through whatever obstacle is in your way. Big blessings to everybody that's watching this. Big crunch, big crunch, big crunch, big crunch, sorry. Big crunch, sorry. Oh yeah. Oh, we don't want to do that. I think I'm gonna need some of this H2O right here after this is over with. Okay, it do kind of got a little kick to it. I'm gonna have to say, guys, for this, oh my gosh, when you add this to it right here, when you add this to it right here, this give it a little kick. It gives it that kick. But for this, these guys, they're phenomenal. And from my perspective, if I had to tell you to get them, try them. They are great. Excuse me. On a scale from 1 to 10, I give these bad boys a 10. They're phenomenal. Just magnificent. I never knew they was gonna taste this good. but they actually good. That's a prize. Big thumbs up to Cheetos. Cheetos, big thumbs up. That's a red thumb, but big thumbs up. So I think I'm gonna end this video off here. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Once again, guys, hope you're having a blessed and awesome day. If you're not, remember what I told you. Hopefully you have a blessed day tomorrow. Let's get to it. But yeah, that's the end of this video, guys. Just be prepared to watch the next one. If you like this one, I'm done now. Yeah. That's what Cheetos. If that's what Cheetos make you do, I'm a real food head junkie. You hear me? I'm a food junkie. I like food. You hear me? Anything, everything, I like it. Sushi, I don't like sushi like that. But if I had to eat it, I'm a junkie. I'm gonna eat it. Just know though, it's a lot of stuff coming to this channel, so you know, y'all be checking out these videos. Turn on. Oh yeah, I forgot this. Out of all things, I forgot to tell y'all to hit the post notification bell so y'all will know when these bangers are dropping. Bam. See the do-rag on? See the little waves in there? It's wavy. Y'all don't want to see it right now. It's kind of wavy right now. I know y'all probably like, he got some big biceps. He big. Yeah, I hit the gym a little bit. But yeah, don't forget to go follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is gonna be down below. Like Roddy Rich say, down below. Oh, peace.